In this video, I'll show you how to install OneDrive Windows 11. So come on in from your browser, just type in Microsoft Bing. So this is it. So it's going to load up, so tap on it. So this is a different browser. You can see our OneDrive is currently installing, but watch what I'm going to show you in this video now. So I'm going to just pause it. So you need to come on in to type in OneDrive for PC. So tap on it. So it's going to load up. So the first option that comes up, so this is, so tap on it. Once you have tapped on it, you're going to now tap on this download for PC. So it's going to load up right now. You're going to see it. So this is here, download OneDrive. So you can see right here ours is currently downloading. So this is how you can be able to do this. In the next video, I'll show you how you can set up OneDrive in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.